What's the meaning of cushy? Cushy. Cushy.
Cushy. Cushy. Cushy is an informal adjective that describes something which is undemanding, easy, comfortable, or luxurious. It is often used to describe jobs that require little effort or physical exertion, or situations that are relaxed and stress-free. The word can also be applied to objects or equipment that provide exceptional comfort, such as a cushy armchair or a cushy mattress. In general, cushy connotes a sense of ease and comfort in one's surroundings or circumstances.